So let me just explain what's happening in this, and then I will read the problem. So let's say you have a filament which is connected to a battery, and with time the filament will become hot, and it is a property of this filament that it evaporates on heating up. So you can think this is similar to a liquid, right? If you have some liquid conducting medium here, then as it becomes heated up, it will start to evaporate. So this conductor also has a similar property that with temperature rise, it starts to evaporate. And if it evaporates, the radius will start to decrease, right? The surface is where the heat escapes, and inside the heat is generated. So how heat is generated? It's because of the battery. So power generated inside a resistor, which is your I square R, right? And why heat is escaping? It's escaping from the surface. That's the property of this conductor, and that is proportional to surface area. So with time, as the radius decreases, several things are happening. One is the amount of heat which is escaping, that reduces because the surface area is less. Second, the heat which is getting developed inside, that also reduces. See, we have connected a battery, right? And so forget about this V1 plus eta for now. Let's just imagine that's the same battery. So with time, if the battery is same, the potential difference is same, and power generated inside a resistor is V square by R, right? And R, if you remember, is rho L by A, which is rho L by pi R square. So if this R square goes up, you can see that if R reduces, the power generated inside also reduces. So the heat generated inside this resistor also decreases, and heat escaping is also reducing. So both are reducing, but at a different rate. Which is reducing at a faster rate? That is power generated inside. Why? Because that has a term of R square, right, in the numerator. So again, I'll explain quickly. There are two things happening here. One is the filament radius is decreasing, and because of that, the heat which is escaping is reducing, because heat escaping is proportional to the lateral surface area, which is 2 pi RL. So heat out is 2 pi RL times some constant. And heat generated inside the filament, that is V square by R, because V is constant. So R is rho L by A. So this term has R square in numerator, and this term has R in numerator. So both are decreasing when R decreases, but this decreases more. So if this decreases more, you have to increase the voltage a little bit so that these two quantities can be same. And why we need these two quantities same? So that the temperature can be constant. Because when temperature is constant, heat in is equal to heat out. So heat generated inside the filament because of the battery is equal to heat out, which is heat escaping the filament. Now let's read the question. How much has the filament diameter decreased due to evaporation if the maintenance of the previous temperature required an increase of voltage by eta times? And it's given that heat transferred through the surface is proportional to the surface area. So temperature is constant and voltage is increased by eta times. So new voltage becomes V1 plus eta. We need to find how much the radius of the filament has decreased. So let's start with what we have discussed before. So heat, if temperature is constant, heat in is equal to heat out. Heat in is V square by R, and R is rho L by A. And heat out is some constant times 2 pi RL, lateral surface area. So if you put these values, and you can see that rho L pi C1 2 pi into L, all those are, we can put them as another constant C2. So on left side we have V square R square, right side we have constant times R. So like we discussed, if R reduces here, the this quantity will reduce, but this will reduce much more. So anyway, 1r will get cancelled and we get v square into r is constant. So we differentiate this because we want the factor of change in voltage. And that is the term of dV. So that will get if we differentiate this. So 2v dV into r plus v square dr is equal to 0, which gives dr by r is equal to minus 2 dV by v. And you can see dV by v is change in v by v. So change is v1 plus eta minus v, which is eta v, divided by initial, which is v, which is eta. So dV by v is eta, which gives dr by r, which we need to find as minus 2 eta. So he has given a hint here that the filament diameter should decrease, but we did not know that. And we got our answer as negative, which means dr by r is a negative term, which means dr is negative. So from our equation also we got that the filament radius will decrease if the temperature needs to be maintained. So good question. I suggest you just look at it until you get all the things which we discussed.